Hey everyone, this is Thomas again from mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. And today, on this beautiful sunny day in Addison, I am having the pleasure and having fun driving this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro around town for a test drive and doing this video with you guys. I hope the wind noise is not that bad. I am on my iPod or headphones, whatever you call those. So I'm gonna walk around the car. Beautiful car out of Tennessee. We just got it in. I just got it in. It's got a really nice black Tuxedo paint job on the car. All the chrome and the bezels appear to be new on the car. The paint, in my opinion, I mean, you look at this reflection. Super nice paint. I would say it's a 5-year-old paint job. Base coat, clear coat. We polished it and we wet sand buffed it out on all of our cars like we do, and we did a paint correction protection on the car as well. So this is the best it's ever going to look. We spent 16 hours doing the prep work on the paint. Nice front new chrome bumper, excellent grille and bezels all around, all the trim, front spoiler, wheel opening trim, rocker trim, all in great condition, along with both side sport mirrors, all the door handles, American racing wheels, aluminum wheels all around to give this Camaro an awesome stance. It's got that old school muscle look, which is exactly what I just said. You got dual exhaust underneath. We'll go over that in a bit. So right now, I'm going to move a little bit closer to show you guys the beautiful reflection in the paint. You can actually shave in the paint if you wanted to. That's how nice it is. Okay. So the emblem here is on order, the Camaro emblem. The other side has it. I will pop that on the car. Obviously, vent windows for the 1967 model only. It's the only year that has those on the Camaro. Nice wipers, excellent roof line, nice white rally Arctic white stripes. And again, gorgeous stance. Let's check out the reflection on the driver's side. Look at that mirror finish. Ready for the car shows. Beautiful. Black Tuxedo. All right, let's check out the interior now. Nice factory bucket seats in the car. It does have some wear here, as you can see. Okay, I will point out all the things as well. This door panel is original to the car, in good shape. Lips on the doors look very, very good. New door sill plates, body by Fisher. Door jambs are solid with the striker, and there's your original VIN tag. Excellent dash pad on the car. 3-spoke aluminum steering wheel. Upgraded dash. Auto sound vintage Bluetooth radio, and there's your new controllers for the vintage air conditioning. Yes, I said vintage air conditioning. Center console, tight headliner, package tray, back seat all intact. Seat belts on the bucket seats are there. So let's check out the trunk, and then what we'll do is we'll move forward and we'll check out the engine compartment. So get my keys. Okay, that's just a used battery that I'm taking to the battery shop. Both quarters have been professionally installed on both sides. Okay. Full quarters. Underneath the mat is nice and clean. No issues at all. Trunk super clean. Underneath, check it out. dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear end. Upgraded with the gas tank. Floor pans are solid. Really solid, actually, on both sides. Subframe has been removed, blasted, and re-put back together. There's a little blemish right down there, if you can see that. But look at that reflection. Woo-wee. All right, so let's get in. Start it up. And then we'll go over my inspection list as well. Key in, a couple pumps. Starts right up. As you can see, the gauges are inoperable. They were just installed, so I will get that to function correctly. All right, let's listen to this baby. That's why you buy a muscle car. Sounds like popcorn. Check out the engine. All right, folks, this is a small block, vicious little small block. It is 10.5-1 compression. It's a 421 cubic inch motor. It's got upgraded with headers, serpentine belt system, vintage air conditioning, chrome alternator, upgraded battery, no overheating issues whatsoever. All the bushings on the A-arms have been replaced when they did the frame off, the subframe off removal, and put everything back together. There's the catch can for March. It's backed up with the 4L60 automatic overdrive transmission, front power disc brakes. You guys ready for a ride? Let's go. Okay, so I do nitpick my own cars, okay? As you can see in my photos, here's my inspection list, okay? These are all things that currently, right now, do not work on the Camaro for whatever reason, okay? So the first thing is horn not working, wipers not working, internal turn signals not working, AC blows warm right now, but that needs a recharge I will take care of. Gauges are inoperable because they were just installed. Radio is inoperable. I don't know why, but I will check that out and fix it. Passenger side fender, as you see, was missing an emblem, the Camaro emblem. The one that came in didn't fit correctly, so we ordered a new one. And then the driver's sun visor, okay, came in as well, and it didn't, they actually shipped us the wrong one. So I will take care of that. The car does have tilt wheel. So this is my punch list. This is my inspection list. I go over the cars very thoroughly because most of my sales are on-site, unseen, in person, and shipped out. So I am very transparent. I'm 100% seller on eBay, great reviews. And, you know, we're a small dealership, about 50, 55 cars. So we specialize in the quality and being transparent. It's not about the quantity, okay? So these are the things, like I said, will be taken care of before the car gets shipped out to you, to your driveway. I'm gonna mount my camera. We're gonna go for a ride. Let's do it. Get ready. Steering is really nice and tight on the car. It sounds really nice through the dual exhaust. Got a great sound to it. And it stops really, really nice. Doesn't pull to the left nor to the right. Easy power steering, easy to work with. So we're gonna hit the freeway here in a second. We get up to 70 miles an hour. If this guy ever 4, or should I say the 4L60, which is the same trans, has a mild shift kit in it, so it shifts really nice throughout the gears. I'm going to let these cars get ahead of me a little bit, and then we'll take off. Get ahead of me a little bit and take off. What's really nice about the 4L60 overdrive trans is you can do long touring with it, get great gas mileage, and you got an extra gear. You got the 4th gear in the automatic trans. You got a big 12-volt, good power out of the engine, the 421 small block. It's a Mighty Mouse motor. I mean, it's got a lot of power. That's 80 miles an hour. And I just rolled into the throttle. Nice and smooth. This car is a pleasure to drive. And it looks, holy crap, does it look good. Everywhere you go, you get thumbs up. The suspension feels real nice on it too. It doesn't make any weird noises. It tracks down the road well. Lights work, turn signals from the exterior, like I said in my description as well. Just my punch lists are the things that I got to take care of before the car gets shipped out. So my mechanic will do that. No vibration. And the brakes are really good. I mean, I'm taking this turn at about 50 miles an hour. No problems, no worries. And it stops real good. This is a reliable muscle car. It's got a great sound to it. These vent mirrors, should I say vent windows, you just adjust them a certain way, you get a nice breeze in the car. I gotta be nice here. A lot of cops. If you guys need delivery, email me your zip code or text me your zip code and I'll get you a quote. My email is bestofbest71@yahoo.com. That again is bestofbest71@yahoo.com, or you can just easily text me 847-848-1850. If you need that number again, rewind the video. I'll get you a quote. Financing. I got 5 or 6 different banks. It just depends on your credit rating. If your rating's between 650 and 750, go to Lightstream. No, I'm sorry. From 650 to 750, go to JJ Best. That is Chris Laganelli at 508-415-1035. If your score is over 750, 100% financing at lightstream.com. They'll approve you in about 15 minutes. It's that simple, guys. I like going underneath this tunnel and over this railroad track so you can hear how well this thing takes the bumps. ready to buy the car, call me, okay? If you have questions, email me or text me, okay? But read my ad, read my descriptions, and if there's anything I'm missing, please send it over. I will get back to you in a prompt manner. So we're gonna head back to the warehouse. This is where I keep all my classic cars. You know, I travel the country to find them. I look at about 10-15 cars before I buy one. So I'm very picky on what I buy, but I'm very thorough on how I explain things. There's not too many guys out there doing it. I'm not hiding anything. 100% transparency, as you can see in my photos and my videos. And so I hope you buy a classic car from me. You will have a great experience. Yeah, you get a great car. And an honest car. Quality, classic cars. So I am at mgmclassiccars.com. I have plenty of others. If you guys wanted to check those out, go to that website. Well, everyone, this is the end of my video. If you need anything from me, you can email me or text me. Again, if you're ready to buy the car, call me. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching. mgmclassiccars.com.